Hey guys, this is Ken from Tech Open, back again with another video. This time to show you something. I know it's not new, it's kind of old already, but nonetheless, I'm here to show you and to give you my opinion on what I think about this. You know, it's always nice to hear a second opinion. This is the Clip 2 from JBL. It's a very small, it's a compact Bluetooth speaker. I got this because I wanted something a little bit more portable. And you know, it's not that I'm disappointed with it, it's just not as good as I thought it would be, but you know, it's okay. It depends on what you want it for, what your use is for. Here's my opinion. So this is basically for people who want to have a JBL, like a portable Bluetooth speaker that doesn't occupy too much space. It's compact, it's waterproof. You can use this in the shower, you can use this, you know, playing in the pool. You won't have any trouble if it falls in the water because it is IP7 rated. So it's compact. It's a pretty nice speaker. I wouldn't say it's not the perfect sounding speaker. You know, at least it lacks a little bit of bass. It's kind of teeny in terms of sound, but it is a pretty good solution. If you know, for the price, you can get these pretty cheap now. It's not the best speaker in the world, but I like this. You know, I like the design. It's pretty nice. You have either a Bluetooth connection or a 3.5mm headphone jack connector, so you have both options. You can pair this with wirelessly with another JBL Clip 2 speaker if you want to have more like a stereo sound, a little bit more power. You can do that. It charges in about 2.5 hours, and they promise 8 hours battery life, but I'll have to test that as well. You have hands-free calling, so you can use this to do hands-free calling on your mobile phone while it's connected via Bluetooth. You can see the output power here is 3 watts. Frequency response 120 Hz to 20 kilohertz. So what's in the box? You have the Clip 2 speaker, 1 micro USB cable for charging. You have this quick start guide, safety sheet, and warranty card. In terms of waterproofing, guys, you know, if this falls in the pool, I believe it'll stay afloat for a while, then it'll sink. It'll go to the bottom of the pool. You don't want to keep it in deep water too long. It is waterproof to a certain extent. I think it's like 5 feet for 30 minutes or something. I'm not sure, but you're gonna have to be careful with that. Don't use this for like diving in the pool. It makes no sense. You don't listen to music underwater anyway, so it's just waterproof in case it falls into the pool or something. You can use this in the shower though. So if you like to listen to music in the shower, this is a perfect item. It has this little clip thingy so you can hang this in your shower. You can hang it on your backpack and whatnot. So let's just open this up and see what it's like. So you have the little charging cable in this bright orange color. It's micro USB, no USB-C here, guys. You have these little manuals here in the back. Let's open this really quick. Let's see what this is about. Just a little, this must be like a quick start guide. Exactly, it's a quick start guide in various languages. This gives you some details of what's already on the outside of the box. No need to see that. This must be like a warranty card, I guess. Safety instructions, that's nothing to see here. This must be the warranty card. Exactly, this is a warranty card. Nothing to see there. And this comes like this. Nothing here. Put that to the side. Move this out of the way. And let's just pull this out. So this is kind of stuck here. Kind of, no, it's really stuck. Oops. So here it is, guys. Now, it's a really nice looking speaker, and as you can see, it fits in my hand. It's fairly tiny, fairly small. Wouldn't say tiny, it's small. You have this little clip here, like I said, to hang it wherever you want, on your backpack, in your shower or whatever. This is like all rubber here, all rubber. This is like a hard kind of material. I don't know if this is plastic or metal, or it looks like fabric. It is fabric. It's kind of a hardened fabric. It must have some kind of resin applied on it. You can see the JBL logo right here. This attaches via this little rubber end. Seems pretty sturdy to me. You have the volume up here. You have the phone answering right here button, and you have the volume down. Here on the back you can see the details, the 3.5 millimeter audio jack cable right here. If you want to connect it via the cable, or you don't have Bluetooth available, you would connect it with this cable. And on this side you have the Bluetooth pairing button in case you don't. So when you're pairing this with your phone, it should appear automatically, but in case on your particular phone it doesn't show up on your device list and your Bluetooth settings, you would press this button so it will show up. You have the power on switch, so we're going to see that really soon. And here you have the charging port. You just pull this little tab open. It seems like it's waterproof as well. It's very well waterproofed. Right here you can see the micro USB port right here. We'll close this up and let's power this on this button. 1, 2, it's on. You can see the indicator right here. Now in terms of sound, we're going to do like a little quick test just to, you know, see how it sounds. It's not that the phone will actually, my phone that I'm recording with will actually pick up decent sound enough to make it justice, but we'll do the test anyways just so you can see. So I'm going to show you how to pair this with your phone, how it would normally go. So for example, on the OnePlus, I'm going to enter the Bluetooth settings and I'm going to tell it I want to pair a new device. So now it's searching for the JBL. Let me just check if it's still on. Yes, it's still on. So it's searching, but it should have found it already, okay? In case it doesn't show up, what you do is you go to the Bluetooth pairing button right here and you press it. There it is. So it shows up right here. After I press the button, it shows up. Now I'm going to tell it I want to connect to the JBL CLIP 2. Allow access to your contacts. I'm going to pair. So it's now paired, and you can see it shows me the percentage of battery on the CLIP 2, 60% battery. That's an easy way to check it out. Now we're going to do a sound test, and I'm going to compare the JBL CLIP 2 with a Bluetooth speaker it's a very low cost Bluetooth speaker that I get from my affiliate sponsor. And if you're interested in either one, you can also check out the links in the description. I'll put the links there. And I'm going to compare both of them for you guys to see the difference in bass between a very low cost Bluetooth speaker, which it is fairly larger than this one, obviously. But just so you guys can compare the difference between both of them. You know, because the JBL doesn't have like the best bass in the world, to be honest. And the volume as well isn't like the highest volume. But I'm just going to put a song here so you can hear it. It's at 75% volume with the OnePlus 6. %. Now I'm going to put it at 100%. So that's more or less for you guys to get an idea. Now I'm going to put this low cost speaker that cost me like $25, 25 euros, sorry. And you're going to see the difference between this one, which costs $50 from JBL. I know it's compact, it's super waterproof and all that, but just for you to see the difference between this speaker, which is, you know, a well-known brand, compared to this one. Okay, so I'm gonna pair this. So I'm gonna connect. It shows up as jam kick in this case. I'm gonna pair it.
Paired.
Now it's paired. Okay, now we're going to do the same track, the same set, the same music, same phone. We're gonna do the same thing so you can guys see the difference. Now you can tell the difference of the bass right away. Okay, now I'm gonna raise the volume. You're gonna see the difference. It's pretty amazing, the difference. It's like 85% volume now. Now I put it at 100% so you can see how different this is. It's 100% now. So I can tell you it's a big difference. I'm going to try in the JBL now so you can see. Let me see if I can connect to the JBL again. And you can also tell there's more distortion. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the other one. See the difference? More bass. Now go back to the JBL again. JBL clip. Okay, play it again. It's totally different, the sound. There's more distortion. You know, I mean, it's not bad. The JBL isn't bad, but if you compare something that costs like $50 to $60, I can't even remember what the original price is, compared to something that costs $25. Yeah, it is bulkier, I know. If you want something really portable, this would be the best solution. But if you're looking for like better sound quality, even you don't have to go to the UE boom or anything. Even if you get this, it sounds better than this. Okay, that's the honest truth. But if I were to pick something for like streaming video, like on my iPad or on my phone on the go, like on a trip or something, not on a plane, but on a trip, and I want something compact that will occupy the least space possible, and that it's lighter, that it's the lightest possible. This one's much heavier. This one's much lighter, and it has this little detail of the little clip. I know design-wise it looks better. I'd probably go for this one, but if I had to choose sound-wise, there are better solutions than this, okay? And more cost-effective, cheaper. So this isn't the greatest speaker in the world. Not like some people say. It's not the greatest compact speaker in the world. It's not. I wouldn't even put it in the top 10, to be honest with you guys. It's a little bit disappointing, but not bad, okay? If you want something compact for on the go, it's a perfect solution. If you want more sound quality, pick something else, guys. This isn't it. It's not. It doesn't have the highest volume. It doesn't have the best bass. That's just the reality of the situation, guys. But you can test it. Go to your local store, test it yourself with your phone. Ask to test this out, and you'll see the difference. So if you like the video, guys, give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
In this moment, can we ride? Nothing's stopping us tonight. No, not a single break line.